Unlike window or central air conditioning units, portable air conditioners are easy to install and do not require permanent installation. They are a cost and energy-saving alternative to central air systems, as they cool one room instead of the whole house. This Winter ARC 122 DHP Elite 12,000 BTU dual-hose digital portable air conditioner with heat and drain pump provides up to 12,000 BTUs of cooling and 10,000 BTUs of heating output while maintaining a compact and portable profile. This versatile unit has 4 different modes: cool, dehumidify, fan, and heat mode, a convenient 24-hour on-off timer that allows you to customize to your specific schedule. A handy remote control that easily controls the speed, temperature, timer, and dehumidifier settings even from a distance. The patented self-evaporating function of this PAC fully exhausts all condensation automatically in most environments. In high humidity or low temperature environments, the PAC may need to be drained. This unit comes with a lower and upper drain port and auto drain pump. The auto drain pump function can pump out moisture through the included 16.5-foot drain tube for continuous condensate removal. Equipped with an exhaust and intake hose, this dual hose system helps eliminate negative air pressure, which allows for more efficient cooling. It can also be operated as a single hose system by simply removing the intake hose. This PAC includes a washable pre-filter, as well as an activated carbon filter that removes smoke and odors. Here's how easy a PAC can be to set up. All winter portable air conditioners include a complete setup kit for exhausting through a standard vertical or horizontal sliding window. When using the portable air conditioner unit, hot air must be exhausted out of the room to complete the air exchange of the condenser. When the unit is operated in dehumidify or fan mode only, installation of the exhaust hose is optional. Pull to extend about 6 inches of one of each of the hoses. Install the small slide-in connector and small cutout connector onto the small exhaust hose by turning counterclockwise. Install the large slide-in connector and large cutout connector onto the large intake hose by turning clockwise. Fix one end of the intake and exhaust connectors onto the rear ports of the unit by sliding the connectors into each slot. The window slider kit is designed to fit most standard vertical and horizontal sliding windows. Insert the fixtures through the back grooved side of the window slider bars with the hole cutouts. Line up the 4 screw holes and tighten the fixtures with 4 screws from the front of the panel. To install, open the window approximately 5 inches. Adjust the length of the window slider bars to fit the length or width of the window opening. You may need to purchase additional slider bars if your window is oversized. Close the window on the window slider kit. Move the PAC to the window, extend the hoses, and attach the other end of each hose to the window slider bar. Align the hose connector cutouts of the tabs to the fixtures and snap the hoses to the window slider kit. Portable and easy to set up, winter dual hose portable air conditioners offer cooling relief for any area where excess humidity and heat cannot be remedied.
Thank you for taking a closer look at the Friedrich Zonair portable air conditioner. With the function of up to 4 different appliances in one convenient and portable unit, Friedrich's dual hose Zonair portable air conditioner offers cooling, heating, fan, and dehumidification that moves with you from room to room. It's also more energy efficient than single hose portable units because Zonair doesn't waste any cooled air by venting it outside. The dehumidification mode keeps your space comfortably dry, and with a self-evaporative system, the condensate is used to cool the coil, so there's no bucket to empty. When you just want a gentle breeze, simply switch to fan mode from the control panel or use the remote control from across the room. Zonair is simple to install. Snap-in hoses and 115-volt operation means quick startup and cooling. Zonair also moves easily from room to room or storage with casters and side grip handles. It can condition areas up to 600 square feet and is ideal for bedrooms, garages, dorm rooms, or anywhere you need quick, convenient air conditioning. Zonair is the practical, flexible, and efficient portable air conditioner that offers fast cooling exactly when and where you need it. A broad service network, a team of technical experts, and U.S.-based customer support ensure you get the prompt service you deserve. If you demand the best, it has to be a Friedrich, the experts in room air conditioning.
When the weather turns hot, it can be hard to find an escape. Where do we turn to stay reliably cool? Where is there a name we can trust? Introducing the NewAir AC10100E Deluxe Air Conditioner, one of the most portable and easy-to-use air conditioners on the market. Complete your daily duties and have peaceful night's sleep, as this unit comes with a 12-hour programmable timer and recycles its collected moisture for continuous operation. The ozone-friendly R410A refrigerant contains no chlorine, so it even reduces the carbon footprint. As a 10,000 BTU portable air conditioner, it comfortably cools a space up to 325 square feet and can be plugged into any 115-volt outlet, making it ideal for cooling medium-sized bedrooms, dens, dorm rooms, or offices. The AC10100E can even function as a dehumidifier and remove up to 50.6 pints of moisture from the air per day. It has convenient and time-saving features such as 3 fan speeds, 2 dust filters, a fully functioning remote control, easy-to-operate push-button controls, and caster wheels for easy portability. The easy-to-install window kit can be adjusted to fit any size window, and the 1-year warranty is backed by NewAir, a company you can trust. The AC10100E is one of the best reviewed portable air conditioners online. People love that this 3-in-1 unit offers you everything you need, operating as an air conditioner, dehumidifier, and cooling fan. It comes equipped with a state-of-the-art evaporative condensate function, reducing moisture buildup, and a direct drain feature, which means you can wave goodbye to emptying out buckets or tanks. When you need to stay cool, the AC10100E is the perfect solution. Don't let a hot, dry environment keep you from enjoying life. Get the most out of it and remain cool and content. For dependability and innovation, you can count on NewAir. NewAir, a name you can trust.
Winter portable air conditioners offer mobile and convenient cooling solutions anywhere you need it. With an easy setup and powerful cooling, winter portable air conditioners provide a convenient way to stay cool and comfortable. The Winter ARC 14S 14,000 BTU portable air conditioner is a highly effective dual hose unit that provides exceptionally effective cooling when you need it most. Utilizing a dual hose system, this unit is able to more efficiently cool and maintain the conditions within a room. This portable air conditioner comes in 2 versions, the ARC 14S, which is a cool-only unit, and the ARC 14SH, which has a heat pump function that can be used as a space heater during cooler weather. For the portable air conditioner to cool effectively, the hot air the unit removes from the room needs to be vented to the outside. The window venting kits that come with our winter portable air conditioner fits most standard windows. You may make a custom modification and vent the exhaust through a wall or into a drop ceiling. Lift the window and adjust the window slide bars to the width or height of your window. Next, tighten the screws to hold the slide bars in position. Make sure the grooved side of the window slide bar is facing inside. Insert the fixtures to the holes of the window slide bar. Make sure the 2 closure tabs of the fixture are facing the inside. Install the 4 screws of the fixture from the inside. The end of the screws should point towards the outside. Close the window tightly enough to hold the slide bar in place. Attach the hose connectors to both ends of the hoses. Attach one end of the hoses to the back of the air conditioner. Extend the hoses as needed and attach the other end to the window slide bar. The easy setup process is complete. You can now enjoy your winter portable air conditioner. Pull open the top air vent. Power on the unit using the control panel. Select Cool Mode by pressing the Mode button.
Set desired temperature by pressing the plus and minus buttons. Select fan speed by pressing the fan button. This unit comes equipped with a pre-filter as well as an odor neutralizing carbon filter.